Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the site for Amazon Simple Email Service, or Amazon SES. And the site is Amazon's cloud-based service for email marketing services. Now in this course, we'll be looking beyond the marketing language to look at the basic uses for Amazon SES. We'll also take a look at the basic provisions that Amazon is making for GDPR. We'll walk through some basic authentication practices, and we'll go beyond the basics for Amazon SES and email deliverability. We'll discuss what it means to use an interface in order to interact with Amazon SES, but to use another service to deliver the email. And then we'll survey the basic interfaces that you have access to. So basically, the course is designed to give you a basic overview as well as to get you started using Amazon SES for business purposes. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.